Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bow in Blender. This is going to be a really simple and quick tutorial. So I have my keybinds here for you to follow along if I go a bit quick. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add a cube. We're going to go to modifiers, we're going to press subdivision surface. We're going to press tab so we're in edit mode. And we're going to add an edge loop here in the middle, using Control R, and then we're also going to add another edge loop here. We're going to go into X-ray mode and we're going to scale this side down, and then we're going to add another edge loop in the middle. And what we're going to do is that we're going to move this one in so you get kind of an arrow shape, and you're going to move this down, this up, and you just make it the shape that you want, and kind of move this to the side so you can just adjust it to how you want the bow to be shaped, just like so. And you can turn the levels up so it's a bit more high quality, just like that. And if it's looking a bit like fat, you can just bring it in like so. And you can even bring it more in like that. So once it's like this, it's pretty much the shape that you're going for. If it is a bit thin, you can just bring it out just like so. It's a bit less thin. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to add another cube, add a subdivision surface modifier. Oops. We're just gonna add this one in the middle, and we're gonna select these edge ones, and we're just gonna bring them in just like so. Make sure to put your origin to geometry. We're just gonna make this kind of more circular, like so. You can also make it 2 on levels again. I'm just gonna bring that in just like so, make it a bit smaller. Check off X-ray mode just to see how it will look. And you can also scale it in again, just like that. Shade both of these smooth, and then we're just gonna add a mirror modifier, and we are just gonna bring these into the middle really quick. So we'll add a mirror onto this, and we'll just do it to mannequin so it's a bit easier for you guys to follow. You can just bring it in however much you want, and this is just a simple shape. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add just a little more depth to it by just making it just the shape that you want it to be, kind of. Just like this. This is how I want mine to be shaped. It doesn't have to be shaped like this if you don't want it to. Just like that. And that is just how you make a really simple, quick, easy bow for Roblox UGC or whatever. So yeah, I hope this helped you, and if it did, leave a like, subscribe. I have a lot of other tutorials on my YouTube that you can look through. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, it's me from the future. I'm just gonna show you what to do after you finish your bow really quick. You're gonna apply your subdivision modifier, And then what we're gonna do is we're also gonna get rid of some of these tries. As you can see, we're at quite high tries. So you can just click every other one that doesn't really need to be there. So just every other edge loop. And as you can see, it doesn't really ruin the quality that much. So as you can see, we just lost a lot of tries, which is good. You just wanna, oops, where's mirror on that? Just wanna apply all of these and just do the same thing, because it doesn't really have to be that high quality, because it is Roblox. So just delete your edge loops. Just make sure you're applying your modifiers. Well, don't apply mirror. Just apply the subdivision so you can get rid of unnecessary tries that you don't need. So just every other edge loop. And as you can see, we just went down like 2,000 tries or something. If you do still have a lot, you can just delete some more, but just be careful because it can look weird. And just shade these smooth, make sure. And then once you're done doing that, just apply your mirror. And we can just scale down. Just make sure that your origin is set to geometry. And you can just put this wherever you want, like it can be a hair bow like that, or it can be a face bow, like some clips like here, for example. Just anything you want can be cute, make it yours. And as you can see, we just saved a lot of tries. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped you.